Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So we have reached the end of the apex and now expect an explosion within the next 24 hours, okay? 24 hours expect an explosion because you can already see for yourself that this is a little bit of a triangle that happened and now squeeze is happening and we're probably going to see some atom bomb blasting in Nagasaki and Hiroshima. Is that what they call in Japan? So we're about to see some explosion out there. Just go and watch Oppenheimer, which was pretty a boring movie. Guys, I don't know if you've watched Oppenheimer, but I think Oppenheimer is very boring. It's not that great. It's really, really boring. When I saw that movie, I thought it's just an overrated movie. My personal opinion, don't come at me, you know. I think it was an overrated movie, and but anyways, is Pepe patterns overrated though? That's the main real question. Are we about to see a pop down and fall to 4685? Because that's where you're gonna go if you break to the downside, okay? But if you break above here, boom, 11,000 back to where you came from one more time. So what is it gonna be? I'm just gonna pose that question, and that's all for the video. Nothing much. Let's see where the break is in the next coming 24, 48 hours, hopefully. And I'm going to see you in the next one in the office.